Hello friends, welcome. In Harpic, many variants are available. Today we are going to discuss about these two variants. Both are toilet cleaners. What is the difference? What are the differences between these two variants and which one is better? This is blue color Harpic. Here the active ingredient is hydrochloric acid. That is the active material, active ingredient. The remaining materials are added materials. Some amount of cetrimonium chloride and some amount of antioxidant butylated hydroxytoluene and some amount of methyl salicylate. I mean very less amount to give the camphor smell. This is white Harpic. Here the active ingredient is sodium hypochlorite. This is powerful disinfectant and also a bleaching agent, and extra SLES and lauryl amine oxide they have added, and also caustic soda to maintain pH. This is chemical composition of white Harpic. Its pH will be more than 8, 9 or 10. This is acid, so mainly it will play two roles. First, it will kill all the germs because acid. Secondly, acid will dissolve all the mineral deposits. I mean, in toilets you can see deposition of some yellow color stain, that is due to the minerals present in fresh water. So this is acid. Acid is capable of removing, dissolving the mineral deposits. So this will kill the germs, will remove the mineral deposits in toilets. Here the active material is sodium hypochlorite. So this is a powerful disinfectant, and one more thing, it is a bleaching agent, so it will make the toilet bowls some extra brightening effect, some extra whitening effect. Apart from that, there are some surfactants, so it will improve the cleaning performances. For home purpose, this is okay. This is a very good choice. For commercial places, for public toilets like schools, colleges, auditoriums, shopping malls, here the possibility of infection is more. So powerful disinfectant is required. So they can use white Harpic. And in public toilets, the physical appearance is very important. So it will make the toilets bowl with extra brightening effect, with extra whitening effect. So this is advisable for public toilets. Of course, this is our interpretation only, but we can use any one as per our choice. We can use white Harpic also in our home if we need a powerful disinfectant and also some extra whitening effect in our toilet bowls. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our upcoming videos.